Is your C drive always full even though other drives have plenty of space? Today, I'll show you how to extend C drive space safely. No data loss, no tension. In Windows 11, go to the search bar, type Create and Format, Hard Disk Partitions, and open it. Currently, I have CDA partitions. To increase the disk space in C drive, you need to create another partition and copy the data to that partition and then merge drive to the C drive. If you directly merge the drive to, see there be a chance of data loss here. I already have D and E drives. I'm going to copy the D drive contents to E drive and safely merge the D drive to C. If you right-click on CE drive, you can see Extend option is disabled. Same as right-click on D drive also, you can see extend option is disabled. Now what I will do is copy all the D drive contents to E drive and make the D drive empty. After emptying the drive, right-click on D drive and delete the drive. So after that, it empty the space and show an unallocated drive. Now we can right-click on C drive, so it will open a widget window. Click in Next, it will show all the free space available. Click on Next button and click Finish button. That's it, the remaining unallocated space is merged to C drive. Now you go to C, drive right-click. On C drive properties, you can see the remaining 248 GB free space is associated with the disk. That's it for today. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.